Deep in the heart of Mexico, there lives a creature of almost mythical status. This creature has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. The axolotl, a salamander unlike any other, has captivated the world with its extraordinary abilities. Its unique charm and mysterious nature have made it a subject of countless studies and folklore. Found exclusively in the ancient waterways of Lake Xochimilco, this amphibian holds secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of healing and regeneration. The lake itself is a remnant of a vast water system that once covered the Valley of Mexico. Unlike its salamander cousins, the axolotl exhibits neoteny, retaining its larval features throughout its life. This means it remains in a juvenile state even as it matures, a trait that adds to its otherworldly appearance. This includes its most striking characteristic, the feathery external gills that frame its head like a whimsical crown. These gills are not just for show, they are vital for the axolotl's underwater respiration. The axolotl's claim to fame, however, lies in its unparalleled regenerative prowess. This ability has made it a focal point of scientific research, with hopes that it could one day lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. This remarkable creature can regenerate lost limbs, spinal cord sections, even parts of its heart and brain, with astonishing completeness. The process is not only rapid but also incredibly precise, restoring the lost parts to their original functionality. Imagine a world where such healing was possible for humans. The implications are staggering. From treating spinal injuries to regenerating damaged organs, the potential applications are endless. Scientists around the globe are studying the axolotl's regenerative secrets, hoping to unlock the key to tissue repair and regeneration in humans. Their research could pave the way for revolutionary medical treatments. The axolotl's story is not just one of scientific wonder, but also one of survival. Its existence is a testament to the delicate balance of its ecosystem and the resilience of nature. Its existence is intricately linked to the fragile ecosystem of Lake Xochimilco, a network of canals and islands that was once a thriving center of Aztec civilization. The lake's history is as rich and complex as the creature that inhabits it. Today, the axolotl faces an uncertain future, its very existence threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species. Efforts are being made to preserve its habitat, but the challenges are immense. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the axolotl, exploring its unique biology, its cultural significance, and the challenges it faces in a rapidly changing world. We will journey through its past, present, and potential future. We will uncover the secrets behind its regenerative abilities and examine the potential it holds for medical breakthroughs. The axolotl's unique biology could hold the key to unlocking new frontiers in science and medicine. Most importantly, we will discover why this extraordinary creature deserves our attention and protection. Its survival is not just crucial for biodiversity but also for the invaluable scientific insights it offers. The axolotl's appearance is as captivating as its regenerative abilities. This fascinating creature, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, is not a fish at all but an amphibian, specifically a type of salamander. Resembling a perpetually smiling aquatic dragon, this amphibian displays a unique blend of juvenile and adult features. Its wide, almost cartoonish smile is one of its most endearing traits, making it a favorite among aquarium enthusiasts. Its most distinctive trait is undoubtedly its external gills, 3 feathery branches on each side of its head. These gills are not only functional but also add to the axolotl's otherworldly appearance. These gills, reminiscent of delicate coral, allow the axolotl to breathe underwater, extracting oxygen directly from the water. This adaptation is crucial for its survival in the lakes and canals of Mexico City, its natural habitat. Unlike most salamanders, which undergo metamorphosis to develop lungs and live on land, the axolotl remains in its larval stage throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This means it retains its gills and aquatic lifestyle indefinitely. This retention of juvenile characteristics gives the axolotl its perpetually youthful appearance. Its body remains soft and flexible, unlike the more rigid forms of adult salamanders. Its smooth, slimy skin, typically a dark mottled brown or black in the wild, lacks the scales and rough texture of its terrestrial relatives. This skin is highly permeable, allowing for efficient gas exchange and moisture retention. Axolotls possess lidless eyes, giving them a perpetually curious expression. These eyes, while not particularly strong, are well suited for their dimly lit underwater environment. Their wide mouths and small, underdeveloped teeth are adapted for suction feeding, primarily on invertebrates lurking in the lakebed. They can create a powerful vacuum to suck in prey, making them efficient hunters in their aquatic world. Their limbs are short and slender, ending in delicate fingers that lack webbing, reflecting their primarily bottom-dwelling lifestyle. These limbs are also capable of remarkable regeneration, allowing the axolotl to regrow lost appendages with ease. The axolotl's coloration can vary, with wild individuals typically exhibiting a mottled brown or black pattern that provides camouflage in their murky habitat. This natural camouflage helps them avoid predators and blend into their surroundings. However, captive breeding has led to a range of color variations including leucistic, pale pink with black eyes, which is one of the most popular among pet owners due to its striking appearance. Albino, golden yellow or white with pink eyes. Axolotls are another common variant, their lack of pigmentation making them stand out in any aquarium setting. And melanoid, completely black, forms, which are equally captivating with their deep dark coloration. These color variations, while visually striking, do not occur naturally in the wild. They are the result of selective breeding by enthusiasts who have cultivated these unique traits over generations. The axolotl is endemic to the remnants of Lake Xochimilco in southern Mexico City. Once a vast shallow lake, Xochimilco has been reduced to a network of canals and artificial islands, remnants of the chinampas or floating gardens created by the Aztecs centuries ago. These canals, though significantly altered from their natural state, provide the last remaining refuge for the critically endangered axolotl. Within this complex ecosystem, axolotls prefer the deeper, cooler waters, seeking refuge among the submerged vegetation and muddy bottom. They are primarily nocturnal, emerging at night to hunt for food. Their diet consists mainly of small invertebrates such as worms, insect larvae, crustaceans, and the occasional small fish. Axolotls are relatively solitary creatures interacting primarily during mating season. Courtship involves an elaborate dance of nudges and tail chases, culminating in the male depositing a spermatophore, a packet of sperm, on the lakebed, which the female then picks up with her cloaca. Females lay hundreds of eggs, attaching them to aquatic plants for protection. The axolotl's sedentary lifestyle and limited range make it particularly vulnerable to environmental changes. Their dependence on the health of Lake Xochimilco highlights the interconnectedness of species and their habitats. The fate of the axolotl is inextricably linked to the conservation of this unique and threatened ecosystem. The axolotl's ability to regenerate lost body parts borders on the miraculous. This small aquatic creature, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, has fascinated biologists and researchers for years due to its extraordinary regenerative capabilities. Unlike most animals which form scars over wounds, the axolotl can regenerate complex structures with astonishing precision. This means that when an axolotl is injured, it doesn't just heal, it restores the lost part to its original state, as if the injury never occurred. A severed limb, for example, will regrow to its original form and function, complete with bones, muscles, nerves, and even skin patterns. This process is not only rapid but also incredibly accurate, ensuring that the new limb is fully functional and indistinguishable from the original. This remarkable regenerative capacity extends beyond limbs. Axolotls can also regenerate their tails, which include complex structures such as the spinal cord and blood vessels. Axolotls can regenerate portions of their spinal cord, heart, lungs, ovaries, and even parts of their brain without any scarring or loss of function. This ability to regenerate vital organs and tissues is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. This ability has captivated scientists for decades, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for tissue regeneration in other vertebrates, including humans. The hope is that by understanding how axolotls achieve such feats, we might one day unlock similar regenerative abilities in humans. Researchers believe that the axolotl's regenerative prowess stems from a unique combination of cellular and molecular processes. These processes involve a sophisticated network of signals that guide the regeneration process from start to finish. When an axolotl loses a body part, cells at the wound site revert to a stem cell-like state, capable of differentiating into any type of cell needed for regeneration. This cellular reprogramming is a key factor in the axolotl's ability to regenerate. These cells then proliferate rapidly, forming a mass of undifferentiated cells called a blastema. The blastema is essentially a regeneration hub, where the magic of regrowth happens. The blastema acts as a blueprint for the missing body part, with cells differentiating and organizing to form the necessary tissues and structures. This process is akin to a highly coordinated construction project, where each cell knows its role and place. This process is tightly regulated by a complex interplay of genes, growth factors, and signaling molecules, many of which are still not fully understood. Scientists are continually discovering new aspects of this intricate system, which could have profound implications for medical science. Unraveling the intricacies of axolotl regeneration holds immense promise for regenerative medicine, potentially leading to new treatments for spinal cord injuries, heart damage, and other debilitating conditions. The axolotl's secrets could pave the way for groundbreaking advancements in healing and recovery, offering hope to millions of patients worldwide.